In today's video, I am going to teach you how to invite organization users in Zoho WorkDrive. To get started, sign in to Zoho WorkDrive using an account that has admin access. Inviting organization users is handled from the admin console, so you will want to be sure you are working in the correct area before you begin. This is where you control who can access your organization and what level of permissions they receive. First, look at the left-hand menu and click your profile, then choose Admin Console. This will take you into the administrative settings for your WorkDrive organization. If you do not see the Admin Console option, it usually means your account does not have the required privileges, so you may need to switch to an admin account. Once you are inside the Admin Console, go to the sidebar and select Privacy. This section is where your organization manages user access and related settings. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the privacy area helps ensure you are adding users in the right place, especially if your admin console includes several other categories. Next, click the option labeled Add User or Contact. This opens the invitation form where you can enter details for the person you want to bring into the organization. At this point, it is helpful to already know which role you want to assign, because the role determines what the new user can do in WorkDrive. Now enter the user's email address, and then choose the appropriate role. Use the email address that the person actively uses, because the invitation will be sent there. When selecting a role, choose the least access needed for their work. This keeps your organization more secure and makes permission management easier later on. Finally, click Add. Zoho WorkDrive will process the invitation and add the user based on the role you selected. After you add them, it is a good practice to double-check that the email address and role were entered correctly, so the user gets the right access from the start. And that is all there is to it.